and this is my friend Iman. So today we are gonna do that whoever take light, like we both have light and no dark, that are loser. Like we have both like light and dark. We are the winners. And subscribe my channel if you didn't subscribe it. Do it now and put the notification bell on and hit the bell button. And like this video and give a big thumbs up and comment down below. So let's get into the video. Ooh. So we have our paintbrush and let's close our eyes and 2, 3 each of paint and then we're gonna switch to the paint. So 3, 2, 1. These all the paints are here. They're light, dark, light, dark, light, dark. So many darks. So many lights. No, light, dark. No, this is light. No, dark. This is dark. No, this is dark. Light, dark, light, dark, light. Okay, let's get the picture. So let's see who goes first. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, I'm gonna go first. So again, I'm gonna go first. Okay. Pink. Golden. I said like that. Oh, cool. These are all my favorite. My turn. Okay. Oh, cool. I got dark, light. So I have a dark golden. I love it, pretty golden. Have a look. Come on, it's a pretty golden. And next I have light silver. Come on, it's pretty glitter. And my nail polish are glitter too. Silver glitter nail polish too. Yeah. And a light pink. Come on, glitter. And the winner is golden color because we both should have a dark color. Now your turn.
I have light purple, I have a light red, and I have a dark green.
And the winner is green. Good job. Okay, let's get into the video and paint this form. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. So first you choose a color to paint.
I'm gonna choose
this because I'm gonna make it. First I need to, but I'm gonna choose this because I need to make a person.
So you are gonna make a golden. Just take it from the lid.
Yeah, lid first.
Let's take it from the lid first.
Guys, look, it's so pretty.
Okay.
Come on and go, they're so pretty. And comment down below, do you like silver or purple? So that's Jordan. Are you guys excited?
Yes, they are.
Okay.
So first, what should I be?
Person. I'm gonna be person. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Come closer, look at the head.
Look at my small head.
I'm gonna move it. Bye.
She has a bigger head than me.
Because you're not trying to be colorful. Why are you coloring all pink? Purple. Skin, not pink. I mean, it's kind of pink. But it's
I like it. Let's move on to the next color.
Yeah, it's so pretty. I love glitter. That's why I buy a glitter. Polish and glitter because glitter are so shine and brighty. Woo!
I got my like red out.
Yeah.
It's gonna be for the eyes and
Look,
the
this
mouth.
glitter here is so pretty.
I cannot see my face quite.
That's
Okay. There.
you like it? I hope you guys like. You chose. You decide, and if you guys choose and decide which one you like, we put the lines here, and we both are gonna color this rainbow
Rainbow color.
with no tree challenge. We are
Yes.
just gonna do a free finally.
Move on, I'm on my third color.
What? You didn't color the red.
I'm on green.
Oh my god, green. Show me green how it looks like. It's so cool. Like a green one is so cool.
The winner is green.
And the winner is golden.
Okay.
I'm making my whole body. Oh my god. I cannot see it.
I'm making arms first. I think so. It doesn't look like a human, it looks like an octopus. Should I make it an octopus now?
Yeah, sure. Anything you want to make. So I'm gonna make an octopus too.
This is my octopus with the green feet and tail.
I'm not making red octopus.
Because you're only using gray. Use different colors.
I will.
Should I pick that?
Now I am gonna close the lid and you guys choose what time I'm gonna choose. I think you guys should choose.
1, 2, 3. I'm gonna close my eyes and pick one. So 1. I got this light red.
It's falling. Now I'm gonna close my eye too. And pick
This light red is so full.
I don't know where it is. This camera's right here.
Wait, let me put 1, 2, 3.
So I'm gonna choose darkest the music song. Do you like this? Everybody smile and subscribe my channel, please. I really wanna get more subscribers.
Like 1,000 subscribers.
Or like 300,000 subscribers. That's what I want because I want to celebrate my YouTube channel.
If you guys give us 1,000 likes, we are gonna make more than 100 videos.
Yeah, when you guys make a video, we will subscribe your channel too. Everybody of you guys should subscribe our channel too, please.
It's kind when you subscribe.
Yeah, it's so kind. Oh my god, mine's cute. What are you doing in Rainbow Cute?
No.
Now I open all the lids.
I did this so far. What should I make next?
Don't cheat in spin ball 9 challenge.
I'm getting so many different colors. I just want to.
What is that?
It's
What is that?
okay. I have done this so far.
And I done this so far. And I made pretty hard with the golden all around and the pink all over the world. It's so pretty and glitter.
And she accidentally put it on mine. Okay, let's do some more coloring.
Yeah. So I think we are gonna stop.
Sure, let's stop because I'm done, kinda.
So, it's so pretty. And look at mine. Come closer and look at mine, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna close it. And comment down below who is the winner and who do you like a lot.
Yeah, I'm done too. Let's do the rainbow part with any colors we want. The exciting things.
Oh, it needs to be hurry because I need to go.
Where?
Blue, dark blue.
I'm gonna get dark purple, my favorite. Don't think we are gonna do it all over here. We're gonna make this rainbow with any colors we want. Oh, this color.
Okay, done.
Everything.
No, I don't need pink. I don't like it.
You don't like it a lot.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Hope you liked our video.
And hope you guys join our video. Enjoy. And hope you guys like this video. And hope you guys subscribe this video and comment down below and give